Welcome back to my final report chart appraisal video on Monday the 9th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at gold, and we're seeing just a slight decline on gold, about $10 lower on the day. You've got the dollar strength that's coming through today, and it's sort of reversing basically the gains that we saw on Friday, the gains that we saw in the wake of that payrolls report, which was pretty much supportive and sort of came into sort of bolster the breakout levels that I still see on gold between sort of 1260 to 1282, and that sort of left 1268.90 is your sort of basis of support within that. Now I look at these momentum indicators, I still think that's pretty positive on the RSI configuration, not too bad. MACD lines turning up, and stochastics I think are still relatively positive as well. So I think that we're still looking out for this the confirmation of this new low, or this higher low. Ideally would be coming above 1260, and then I think you're going to see further pressure to the upside. But you've got a slight slide today, $10 down on the day, and it'll be interesting to see if this continues. As I said, 1268.90. So you've sort of got another $10 worth of sort of buffer till Thursday's low, and as long as you're still trading above this 55-day moving average, which is sort of became the base of support between March and April with the sort of higher highs, and that currently comes in 1246 area. I think if you're sort of still trading above that on gold, I think you've got to maintain a positive outlook, really, and I think ultimately this is just going to prove to be a little sort of correction that is a nice little buying opportunity. So you sort of dropped back. Configuration on the momentum certainly hasn't turned negative. Still positive above 30. MACD lines, I mean, they have turned lower. Obviously, that is near-term corrective to reflect today's sort of decline. But it'll be interesting to see, because obviously the bull run on the MACD, on the hourly MACD lines, got way into positive territory, and it'd be interesting to see where this sort of support starts to come in again. As I said, if it's above 1268, I think that's again very much a positive move, and the bulls are happy to support and continue to buy. So for now, we've got a bit of a near-term slide, but I think that this is going to play into the whole sort of theme that I still continue to believe, which is the dollar rally isn't going to continue all that long, and I think ultimately it's going to weaken or at least go sideways, and I think you're going to still see the gold price supported in that environment. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.